Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia. You guys crack me up with the comments. I couldn't about this one comment that just came in now. I'm just like, I have to share. I just have to share. Oh, I was on the floor. I was just like, no, I can't. Oti, Usibanda is a child that's actually stuck in a man's body. I'm just like, guys. You guys, Shema, today? I need to see straight up. Guys, thank you so much again for your comments. Oh, like I said, they crack me up. Your comments at times. It's all in one, and that actually helps me not to be overwhelmed. I'm just like, let me do these videos for you guys, so that we can actually support the Mayuas, guys, because it's hectic. Some days you like, oh my gosh, ngazi sizobana breakthrough nansi. You know, in December I was hopeful that we have a breakthrough. We're sitting in June now, and usaqhubeka uJudge Rat akazi uthuke kakhulu for the past at least 3 days. They've just been trashing him, and I feel like he does actually deserve it. He is a loss. He's a handful. For the stuff that he says, the stuff that he does in that courts, gaslighting, the defense, you know. But other than that, we just wanted to just give Colonel Khumalo his flowers. Lo Baba did really well for me right now. Gimreta no General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi uhamba lapho nje kulezo zinyathelo. It's just like mina, I can't. I'm not this person. Ngizobe ngiretire like Hosinona and be arrested like Shibir. I'm not doing it. Ukininda must just follow me around then. I can't. I don't care, actually. And I think Ukininda has tried to actually shut that guy and be like, hey, otherwise uzobona. Like how at TRC they did speak about this case. But everyone who says anything about this case, like ukubona usuke nje uzibizela ukuhamba la emhlabeni, literally. But social media bamdonsa uratha like you've never seen. They like, how can lo omunye uthe and hambe hlala nabazukulu bakho? I agree. You know how I feel about rats. I just feel like he's old. Why don't you get a 50-year-old judge or 55 experience rats? It should be better, you know? Someone or fresh. Not low. This one is rogue. Lo, uyayifanela nje. Nalabantu abamcela kule case esingesabamenshina ngegama. Usebenza nabo nje. Usebenzisana nabo nje ubaloyi abangani bakhe ama-BFFs labantu, they have tea together. Like how uLeshabano refused to have tea with Baloyi. Baloyi wayefuna ukuthi uShabane must have tea with him, so that's what happens. How Baloyi has been exposed like we've never seen for the past 2 weeks. He doesn't even know himself. He's beside himself. It's just like Kotankos bamthathaphi uVincent Leshabane, this retired general was on board a court, you know. Bazokudonsa for the sense of me case, guys, man. You see, we are always, we are hopeful. Some days it's chaff, we just like, no, we have to soldier on though, because abantu. Enye inhlamba uratha achaphwe ngayo uThabani, I couldn't link it here, guys. Igaxe ingaka, big, huge. Bamuthuke uratha, like I said, uzicelele. He called it from the bushes. That's how I normally put it. Uyazibizela ezinye izinto uratha. Usukelana nje nabantu. Umsholo lwabantu ayemenzeni uratha. Umnisi nje bade emgibele. Umnisi wazehlisa umnisi. He was just like, even my father didn't teach me this. I was never taught this, Baba. Please, I don't want to be fighting with you. Umdala. Uratha ezinye izinto uyayicelela, uyayibizela kanti mudala, guys. And my thing is that if you can't be telling us about your age each and every day, there's nothing wrong with that. Just stay at home, you know.
just as much as I've always said ukuthi kodwa nakhona kuyafrustrate uhlala kaBratha ekhaya because they always now take us back, and those are the things that Ubaloyi wants, because he wants this case delayed, Ubaloyi, literally, you know. So sivele sibuyele emuva siqale phansi ngekhathi zomawumela nawo omunye ubaba wayerogo wazithatha yena wasifaka kule case and bulldozed this case. Loyo kwaye Western Brother by far. Like can't even compare them. He was in another level. So hey guys, it's very frustrating. So there's another witness that's coming, Amanda, on Monday. Cause basically what Ramusipili is doing, oh my gosh, is that he just wants to prove Untanzi. Alright, you know, like he's telling the truth about his whereabouts. Although that one has also been very shaky. Ukuthi Untanzi, where was he on the 26th? We want to Inale was still fighting for it proper. Like we have a long way to go, actually. But Amanda Stinga, but the people that we need this coming week to help us prove Ntanzi's alibi and prove ukuthi Ntanzi did not unalive Senzo Meyiwa, basically. So uthabanike nje ba ethuka wonke umuntu nokheli bazicelele, guys. I think we are at the point where everyone in South Africa that's rogue after Mkhwanazi's not even allegations anymore, or after Mkhwanazi revealed nje ukuthi lalela naba abantu abekho right, they were going to continue ruin your country. How are we going to see Okheli Khumalo and her entourage, everyone who's in the house, they must just come forward bakhulume labantu sekwanele, guys. Like ekhona ezinye izinto you just feel like no, it's actually enough now. Can we deal with people in the right way? Uthi abantu babona behambe bethuka abazinzi, South Africans are tired. And bese kuzoba King Baka, you remember, he also during the week was just like we are enough. I've said it so many times because I'm enough. Go Rata. Swiso Meyiwa is enough. The Meyiwas are enough. Can we just cut this short now? We're done. Yeah, the fact that amaphoyisa aboshiwe ngalento ka that Medicare situation and Ket Matlala ayibisebenzisana nabo. So many guys, police officers, bona bebengasakhuzana ukuthi no bra mina I can't do this. Do it when you want. All of them, akekho no one who saw this coming, who saw ukuthi this will catch up with us. No guys, abantu abakanjalo nje they must just stay in jail and rot there. Ubaloyi is one of those people. Yena nalo mntanakhe uzongena phakathi inside ejele Dr. Sibanda, because papas like you've never seen. He's gonna be phakathi inside. So lesime lapho guys, so babhizi futhi namanye amanqampo later, and your comments ziyangisiza, they make me, you know, like I said, ukuthi ngiqhubeke and do and get justice basically for the Meyiwas and help them ukuthi babe ne voice, because bavele bangazwakali kaMeyiwa bebekhala mangaka ama screams ngamaMeyiwa, guys, abuhlungu. It's like I can hear them. It's so crazy. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting this channel. Ngithanda over.
Ubani uratha kadilike esihlalweni kugibela ijaji eliseselincane likwazi ukuhlulela lento yaMeyiwa. Ngoba lento enzala amasimba ngengidikadika icala elincane kanga lecala kumele ngabe kade lalunga nonke nje niyale namhlanje nisitshela lokhu kusasa ngelinye ilanga sike sihlale simosha isikhathi sethu sithi hayi uyeza ke manje lo usiphathele indaba eqondile woza emva kwaloko sekujile konke asekho kanjalo seqala istory esisha hayi sekunelinye icala elikhandiwe yilela le exist hey lalelani lana nina awukho umuthi kuleli cala likaMeyiwa awukho umuthi kufuneka nje iqiniso bafowethu Kheli Khumalo nalabo awunabo khulumani nje iqiniso selele yacala leyaphela musana umosha ama resources estate musana ukumosha ama resources estate nina nani khona enkundleni angithi musana kusenza ilima nani khona niyakwazi ukwenzeka musana ukusenzela ima. Yes, siyavuma kunzima ukwamkela iphutha elalingaba laba khona noma kodwa siyacela abafowethu nani khona niyakwazi ukwenzeka. Ake nilungiseni le yanto. Nani nelijaji libele liphethe inhliziyo lapha phezulu yazi ngicasuka idatha lami lavele lajema ikhehla lizothi hayibo nangu usidakelwa ikhehla ikhehla lizositshela nge-8 sishubile. Mina I'm 8 years old. Hlanganaphi ke thina? Sihlanganaphi ke ne-ID yakho? Sesihlangana ke ne-date of birth yakho ke ukuthi wena kade wazalwa sozuna 8. Hey lalela lana na wena msuna nje. Ayikho ke lento ayisifaki uyasidakela nje. Ubusidakela ke nje kulento yakho. Ubusidakela. Yabona bengiqala ke mina ukubona ijaji elidawayo. Uyasidakelwa ke manje uratha. Uratha nje usiyasidakelwa. Finish and clear. Si-country nyasho mina umsuna nje uyasidakela. Ho. Uyasidakela ngempela. Phela sekuyacaca manje ukuthi kusho ukuthi umuntu ngempela wabulala umeyiwa kusho ukuthi u-high profile someone. Kodwa mina ngiyaxakeka ngoba phela abantu ade nebasaba abantu abafana nabo babukhethe.